I'm going to share 4 verbs you can use instead of walk. Let's get started. So the first verb is stroll. This is a slow, casual walk you might take to relax. For example, we took a stroll around the park to get some fresh air. So the next verb is pace. You might pace when you're stressed or anxious about something, and it's normally when you walk back and to across a small area. So for example, I paced around my home office waiting to find out if I'd got the job. Let's look at wander now. Wander means to walk around with no destination in mind. So for example, on our first day of holiday, we wandered around the city centre. And finally, we have the verb swagger. This means to walk around with too much self-confidence and arrogance. So for example, Pete swaggered around the office when he won the lottery.